Hi. We will now take a look at the SDU1 and how it's communicating with the target line, with the target server. The SDU1 is the only SDU we have where we have two connection points, two lines to a target server. We have named them signal A and signal B, and we have them here, and we have a LED on the side representing each of those two inputs. As we can see, we have now only connected a target line to signal B, so that LED is off. This is the idle situation when the current loop, as explained in the previous video, is complete and the current is actually running all the way through the system. So we have a cable connected, representing the cable going to the target line. We have a target power supply here, and we have a target which is set up as a target server, which is the unit on the opposite side of the communication link. So we can now check out how things look when we communicate on this bus. If we use the monitor here and we press new series and OK, we can see a series of rapid flashes. This is data transmitted to the target server. In the same way, if I tap lightly on the target sensor, you can see data received the same way, but this time it's the target server initiating the data transfer. On the target server, we actually do have an LED which is going to be showing exactly the same information as the signal LED on the rear side of the SDU1, and that's the left LED on the circuit board here. So if I now tap lightly on the sensor again, like we did earlier, you can see a flash representing data sent from the target server. Of course, this would also be seen as a flash on the SDU1. If I disconnect the cable at any point, we can see that the signal LED is going to be constantly on. This is basically because the current loop is now not connected, so the current cannot run. This can be done anywhere on the communication line. If you disconnect, it's going to be on. Yeah, so this is the normal situation of the SDU communication line to the target server, and in the next video we will take a look at how this is functioning when we have an issue or a challenge.